In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code Google Drive folders and shortcuts. Fixed today. Here, let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to the Google Drive website. Make sure you're already logged into your account so you can access your files. Once you're inside Google Drive, locate the folder or shortcut you want to organize. If you're working with a shortcut, you can identify it by the small curved arrow on the folder icon. To apply a color, right-click on the folder or shortcut. A menu will appear. From there, hover over the Organize option to open a sub-menu. You'll now see a palette with multiple color options. Choose any color you prefer, and it will instantly apply to that folder or shortcut. This makes it easier to visually organize your files based on categories, priorities, or projects. If you want to color code multiple folders at once, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac, then click to select multiple folders. Once selected, right-click on any of the highlighted folders, hover over Organize, then click Folder Color, and choose your desired color. The selected color will be applied to all chosen folders at the same time. Keep in mind that these color changes are only visible to you. Even if the folder is shared with others, they won't see the colors you've applied on your end. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.